All right, for the next 30 minutes, you're going to see approximately 2 million birds that aren't from Earth. Believe it or not, you're going to see at least 6 alien spacecraft and some other really, really cool stuff. So please keep an open mind. You're not alone right now. So here are 2 million birds. Here's some birds coming right in front of the moon. How pretty. Look at the moon. Hi, moon. Some of these birds. Oh. Yep, birds aren't from Earth. We know. Oh my God. Now let's show you how many birds are here. So this will be sun, sky, moon, and birds. Not from Earth birds. And I want to make sure I have them all. Oh, look at that. Oh. Bird one's from Earth either. Beautiful. Remember, the birds are here. There's way more than birds, but the first civilizations to visit are birds. And like I said, look at the background. Look at the background. Absolutely beautiful. That bird right there is in charge of the other birds too. Like, get in line, get in line. Very pretty. This one. Hi. I have seen you so many times now. This is my friend right here. Look how fast you go. Beautiful. Look, keeping all those birds in line too. You do a good job. Get them back on that spacecraft right there. Look at this. I want to make sure I get all of you birds. Every bird. Look at this. Look how they're magically appearing. What in the world? Back up. Somebody's chirping for me over here. More birds. Hear you. Remember, pay attention to the background. Fuzzing. You're all fuzzing. There you go. See the moon? Again. Hi, moon. You're beautiful. Slow that down. You really want to see what that is. Don't want to forget any birds over here, though. My goodness, crows. I know. Come on, little guys, hurry up. Come on. There's probably a million more. No. Okay. Beautiful. All birds are important. Everybody's important. Even you. Oop. Remember, pay attention to the background. My audio will be fixed on my phone on Monday, so I apologize for that. Look at how pretty this is. My goodness, you guys did a good job here. Oh, no, I see you. A little too much fuzzing going on, but look how, beautiful. See, I love doing this. So much better than this. Because, I mean, this is cool. That's not who we're here to see. It's not. Okay? It's not. It's very pretty. I understand this. I understand what this is. Slow this down. Zoom in. Look at this. There we go. Back up to that real important. Oh. Look at this. Keep them coming. ask for it. My gosh. You notice, where do you think they're coming from? Okay, you're all fuzzing. You're all fuzzing. Okay. And I know I get some missing birds, so they stay in a line. Look at that. Perfect. Check just to make sure. Oh, love it. I'll let you guys speak. That they're actually crawling too. I guess it's called crowing. You're all fuzzing again. Thank you. I think the fuzzer's right up there. Oh, got you too. Yeah, whole bunch fuzzing. Every bird's not from Earth. I think we established that. We established that, okay? All right. Oh, of course. Beautiful. Remember, pay attention to the background. Where are these birds coming from? Huh. Oh, more spacecraft. Let's look at this real quick. Remember, slow this down. Zoom in and slow it down, okay? Back to the good stuff. Perfect right now. See how you come from the clouds like that? Looks good. All right, more birds. Don't bother. The camera's gonna keep doing that. You. This bird's in charge too. So is the other one. Oh, where are you guys going? Where are you going? Look how pretty that is. Back up. Beautiful. Whole bunch more birds coming. Notice the background over there too. In front of the birds. They're all the same. Spacecraft birds. Rather seem like this though. Look at this. Ooh. Almost here. Again, look at the background. Okay, I think we're good. Thank you. Okay, back up to the sky. I'm standing in the middle of the field here waiting on my dog. Oh, never mind. I knew it. Come on, keep them going. Come on. Look at that right there. Right there. It's all organic. All organic. see you guys in the tree staging. Trick everybody. Missed anybody? You gotta do it again. No. Jesus, crows, how many are you? Like, don't you worry about it, human. You'll find out. Good. Good. About time somebody more mature took over. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, back over here. If you have more birds, bring them. I will interrupt my show. All right, so back up to the sky. See the birds fly away. I'll miss you guys. See you tonight. More birds. Look at this. Look at that over here too. Okay. Sorry, I have to look at the entire sky. I can't see. I have glasses on. I have terrible vision, so I have to keep going back from my glasses to the screen right there. Look how pretty this is. I see you. I see that too. Oh, okay. Back over. Let me just look at the background. Beautiful. No, I keep saying that, but it's important. Look at some of the things that are, hanging out here. If you think they would occur naturally. Up over here. Let me make sure I have all the birds. Oh, no, I don't. Come on. You. Plenty more coming. Don't want my phone to. No, it should be all right. Keep them coming. I think it's important to document everybody that's up there. Crows are highly intelligent. My son was telling me, I forget the family name, but they're also related to ravens, I believe. Also, birds can see very well. They can see blues, reds, and ultraviolet, meaning they can see through clouds. I don't know how thick of clouds. They can see very, very, very well. Very well. Yeah. Look at that right there. Ooh. Oh. And around. Beautiful. Oh, see, things are done. Trying to get the hang of this. Gotcha. I think they're fuzzing still. No, they're not good. That might be, no, keep them coming. Look at this background right now. My goodness, guys. And in the end, you're going to see the main birds. There's three of them. There's three birds that are really in charge of all this, I think. And then there's a bird in charge of the crows, and so keep an open mind. Okay, just watch. Look at the screen. That's all I gotta say. I gotta say anything else. Do I? Okay. No, cool. Oh, look, there comes an aircraft too in front of the birds. That little aircraft there, slow that down if you want and zoom in. Look at these birds coming over here. Or oh, here comes another aircraft. There you go. That's what they look like. So zoom that in. You will see. Look how they're just coming out of the sky. I don't know if you can see back there, but look. Look way back there. They're just coming on and on out. Just make sure we get everybody over here. Just in case. Let's look around over here. Look, look. Now, if you look straight up in the air, you're going to see an aircraft too. Right here. Not an aircraft. Over everything you see on the screen, I'm pretty sure are all birds. Even inside that. See the birds? It's like, yep, that's right. So, look. Keep them centered. Alright, back to. Okay, I think we're done. So let's get this. I think that's the. I think. If you have any more, bring them. Look how pretty this is, though. That is really pretty in the center. There's another one chasing it. Go figure. So we have, look, they're chasing each other. Go get them, faster. We're having races. Now let's think about this. Okay, what a way to end that. That's beautiful, guys. Somebody coordinated this, I guarantee it. Look, we can get this in the same shot too. Go, hurry up. Race. I'm voting for you. You. Oh, never mind. That one's pretty. This is very pretty, guys. Thank you. I like this. Simulated or not, you're pretty too. I think we're gonna end it with that. Okay. Zoom in. Beautiful. Oh, if there's any more birds, I need them now. Seriously. Control center's right up there, by the way. I've got to get you. I don't want to forget anybody. But let's go around the whole sky real quick, okay? 21-minute video. Look at how pretty this is again. Oh, gotta get you too. Right there. That one. Alright, so let's go all the way around. Thank you for the crows. I'm guessing there were a million. Let's look at this real fast. Check these out. Right there. I see some more. Is there more? Oh, could have sworn I saw birds. Yep, here they come. Oh, I missed them. Look, all over here. I get all you guys here. Everybody. So maybe a million and one. Oh, we have a train. Of course. You're fuzzing, okay. Oh, by the way, there's no train tracks right here. Just saying. What? What? What do you want? Stop. Okay. More birds. Oh, can't. Go over here just to make sure I didn't miss any. Much easier to see right now. Much easier to see. If there's any more, break them out. How many jets do we need? Oh, look out. Wow. Oh, look. Hi. Guess what? Oh, we just... No. Welcome to Earth. Might as well. I think that bird is saying something. I don't speak bird yet. Look at that. No, they're saying there's more birds. When I say more birds, my gosh, guys. Are there any Earth birds? Like, shut up, human. You guys are all coming over tonight. Every one of you. Gotta get these guys. Look, more. Back over. Oh, there's more coming. Look at this. You fuzzing. You guys are all little fuzzballs. Oh, got her. That's kind of cool though. That might mean they're done. I'm not sure. That means yes. There's like one crow like saying, "All right, guys, get in order. Come on, do like we rehearsed it." Because I don't hear anybody else crowing right now. I think just one. So there's definitely some organization going on here. Definitely. Beautiful. If there's any more birds, I will stay here forever. So you keep them coming. Keep them coming. My goodness, look at this. A whole stream. I guess you're going north for the winter. We're in Florida, by the way. And these birds aren't going around and around. Trust me, they're all different. Every one. I mean, I think they're all crows. These are, but there's way more than crows. That means yes. That one bird, yeah. Get in line. Get in line. Beautiful. Okay. That was so pretty. I'm gonna go over here just to make sure I didn't forget anybody. Thank you guys. If any more, you bring them on. You're welcome. Oh, I can see you guys over here. I think we're done. So, again, we'll end with this. Good night, Moon. Good night. I want to make sure, because I hate to leave somebody out. Okay. Good night, Moon. Good night, Train.